Hello friends, in last video we created the sample report. Let's deploy onto the Jasper server. So this is Jasper server where there is a report collection folder. So here you can upload the report, or how we can do it, we'll see. First we need to locate the .jrxml file, which is actually the report design, report XML file. So if you go to the project explorer, and this is our report, sample report underscore demo. So in the properties you can see the path. So there is a Jasper soft workspace, so I'll go there. So my reports, and this is my current sample report. So once we locate the .jrxml file, now we come to Jasper server and try to upload this report. So right click on reports folder, add resource, and add Jasper report. So it will open like set up the report. Here you can change your report name also, anything you want to give sample report. I'm not putting underscore demo. Upload a local file or select the JXML from the repository. So all the JXML files we can upload to repository. From there also we can select. Currently we will upload from the local file directory. Browse it, select this JXML, open, then just click submit. Click on sample report. The report is empty, but when we run the report in the browser, we have the data. But it's showing the report is empty. Just go back, edit, because we just uploaded the JXML file, but we didn't give this data source connection. Let's explore one by one these things. In setup we uploaded already. Control and resources, if we have any input controls like parameters, and those parameters like prompting parameters which filter the SQL query and filter the data based on those parameters, we can create those resources here. Data source, we can see do not link a data source. By default it was do not link a data source. That's why the report is blank. We already created the data source, or we can click here to create a new data source like we created on Jasper server on iReport designer. So like that only we can create by clicking on this, but we already created in Jasper server. So select data source from repository, then browse. It will give the connections folders where we have the source. So if you remember, we have sample JDBC sugar CRM database. We created this data source connection before. In my previous video I shown that. So after selecting the data source connection, you can have, if any custom query if you have, you can click on this, or customization if you want like form and layout, then also you can click on these things. But for a sample simple report, this enough. Just click on submit. Now the sample report, when double click or just click on it, it will run the report. So see, we have the data in server as well. So in designer, and this is on server. So we successfully deploy the report into the Jasper server. Thank you guys for watching this video. In my next video we'll explore other things related to reporting, parameters and all. Thank you.